What we're going to go over right now is we're going to go over the basic path for the basic curve. And what I typically do when I'm working in rows is I'll start over and I go over, down, up, over, down, up. So let's start and we'll go row by row. So we'll go over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down, up. Now one thing that I want to say is as we move, we don't focus our eyes on where we are with the needle or the pen. We actually focus on where we're heading. Whenever you're doing any type of curve work, you always look at where you're heading, not where you're at. Over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down. Now I'm at the end of the row, so I'm going to close that row, over, over, over. Again, I'm looking where I'm heading, not where I'm at.